Let us take one matrix A with elements 7, 6, 8, 3, 2, 1, 5, 9, 4, which is 3 by 3 matrix. Then to find the determinant for this 3 by 3 matrix, which is matrix A, let us place the cursor on the answer cell and type once again. Then MD, which is M determinant. When we make double click from the given options, it brings M determinant. Then click on the first element of the given matrix, which is 7. Then 2 dots and click on the last element of the given matrix and close the bracket, and as the last enter. Simply this is a determinant for the given 3 by 3 matrix within a few minutes, which is 87.